when I created, let me see, where did they go? Okay, so for the questions assignment, and the question, okay, so do I always, for the index, is it always plural and the other ones are always singular?
Yeah, I mean, so for index, you're returning multiple questions, in which case it should be plural, right?
Okay, that makes sense. Okay. For some reason, that just like never caught on until recently.
Yeah.
So okay, so I changed this back, and I updated my views to show that, like questions for index, like singular for the other ones.
Yeah.
And then, oh wait, did I run the server? No, I didn't. When I open, oh wait, it must not have started up yet. Huh. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh. There we go. So it highlights this, and it's saying no method error. And I just don't know why it would be showing that when I already defined it.
Yeah, so I was seeing that as you pass through your code. So there's no need for an each loop. It's just the form for the question. Right?
Oh, really? Okay.
Is
that so? It's always like that when you're doing a form?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you don't loop inside of a form. You just use the form for the question because you're creating one question. You're not there isn't even multiple questions to loop through. You're creating a form for one question.
Okay.
So now if you reload.
Oh man, that was such an easy fix. Okay, that.
Yeah, I mean, granted, some reason the title. Yeah, and then you might want to change this to whatever question has. Just gonna throw this in here. Already. Oh, you done? Okay.
Okay.
Let's see here. And so that's getting all handled. Cool. So we have title, body, and resolved, right? And so for your form, you probably want title and body, at least. And this should be like maybe a text area.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
There you go.
That makes sense. Okay. Sweet. That was such an easy fix. I love it.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing, and this is like I don't know if this is like a glitch in the curriculum because I've never seen it phrased like this before. Let me find it. So they were talking about like changing the comments when we added our like topics and such.
Yeah.
So where did it go? Internet here is a little bit slower. Here we go. So are the let statements supposed to be above the RSpec here?
Sorry, what?
Well, like for the test file, for the spec file, for the comment model, are the let like where it's like defining a variable here up here? Is this above the RSpec?
Yeah, in general, it's a good idea to put it above.
Oh, really? Okay. because like for all of the other ones, these were beneath it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, does this work or does it crash?
It gives me like a different error message each time I move it, actually.
Okay. What's the error?
That was the other thing I wanted to ask you about because oh shoot, my controllers. Whoops. Yeah.
You might have to go to models, right?
Oh yeah. Because like the spec file wasn't loading last night, but what?
I just cleared it.
Oh,
It's gonna run.
oh, here we go.
Okay, undefined method left for main object. Okay.
So I didn't know if that had to do with the placement, but I guess it doesn't.
It might actually. I might be wrong. So comments back. Okay, so before you've seen it in
Like for if like every other example that I followed, the let was like this, like below the R spec.
yeah, so let's just throw it in there. Oh, I think you're right.
If I remember, there's like a different error message altogether. Oh my gosh, it's passing now. It wasn't passed. Shoot, that's so annoying. But yeah, okay.
It seems like it's working now.
Yeah, it's working now. So then, as a rule, then, so you should keep these below the R spec?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what they had here was wrong.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
tell them I shouldn't write a bug before. So let me just copy the link and I'll do that after this call. So is that it?
that was it, actually. Yeah, the form glitch or whatever with my questions assignment. That was like the main thing.
Okay, cool. Well, perfect then. So, okay.